Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 8 best weather apps for Mac. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, WeatherBug. WeatherBug is a well-known free application that can be downloaded from the Apple Store. It is a simple app that gives all the weather information on your menu bar. It pulls up weather reports from 10,000 plus professional weather stations to serve all the accurate information right on the desktop in no time. Features of WeatherBug: clean user interface. Provides alerts and notifications about weather conditions. Forecasts information about 2.6 million locations in no time. Access to information with a single click. A live map for favorite locations is available. It has the largest lighting detection network. Number 2, Weather 5 Days. Weather 5 Days is one more free application with a neat user interface. Location plays a major role in retrieving the nearby weather data. Moreover, it can forecast the weather of any place in which you need to input the location data. This free application uses data from the world's popular weather models. Features of Weather 5 Days: possibility to choose and create locations. It gives hourly forecast for 24 hours. It is often termed as a complete weather app as it is capable of displaying temperature, humidity, cloud cover, etc. Number 3, WeatherDock. All the application discussed previously provides alerts and displays all related information when opened. Even though those are simple, the WeatherDock displays all information right in the dock itself where apps were listed, i.e., there is no need of opening the app. However, launching the app gives you a forecast for a week. Animation speed can be adjusted and supports a multi-location forecast. Icon badges can show the current temperature, wind, etc. Features of WeatherDock: lovable animated icons with neat user interface. Weather information will be updated every 60 minutes. Information will be automatically updated with active internet connection. Neat background colors are available. 7-day weather forecast can be accessed in a single click. Number 4, Swackett. Swackett has both free and paid versions. The free version of Swackett comes with limited features that were good enough for minimal users. The way it displays the data is completely new and understandable. It gathers and compiles a lot of weather data and displays the graphical data on the application. Features of Swackett: gives clothing suggestions as per weather data. The app is part of a big network and is trusted. Hourly based temperature data can be displayed. Displays the sunrise and sunset data from the drop-down. Number 5, Radar Live. Radar Live is considered as the best weather radar for Mac as it collects and displays the latest NOAA data. As usual, it gives 24-hour weather data with future updates as well. It is strictly for Mac users and is designed to minimal with a good interface. Features of Radar Live: displays information from 155 NOAA radar station with a map. Location can be auto-detected and info is pulled from nearest NOAA. Wind speed and direction, max and min temperatures, rainfall information, etc. will be displayed on the dashboard. 2-hour detailed report for 3 days will be added by setting it up. Number 6, Carrot Weather. Carrot Weather is one of the best weather app for Mac users. There is no need for launching the application every time as notifications serve the purpose of viewing stats. This weather was features in the New York CNN as the best one. Features of Carrot Weather: check out the weather conditions of several cities in the past 70 years. Allows customization. Provides accurate data. Minimalistic design. Number 7, Living Earth. Living Earth simply sticks to your taskbar displaying temperature right away. A click on it expands the icon and gives more complete information including all stats of all saved locations. Keep scrolling down for more hourly data and all. It is an award-winning app and is considered as the best world clock and weather app. Features of Living Earth. World clock and weather information at a single click from taskbar. Cloud data is updated every hour and is pulled from real satellite data. Possibility of choosing locations from over 3 million cities. Number 8, Clear Day. A Clear Day is a paid weather app, especially for animation lovers. Radar maps are viewable for the US, Australia, and Canada using NOAA. Moreover, national weather services are integrated with a Clear Day for better data in some locations. It does show information in the menu bar the same as others. Features of Clear Day. Supports more than 2.5 million locations. Reports weather warnings as per national weather services in Europe and USA. Supports iCloud Sync. Displays all weather details like sunrise, sunset, humidity, etc. The app is completely animated. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.